Paul and Andy, here are yours.
Yes.
Frankenstein's monster, American lifestyle guru Martha Stewart, park ranger Roy Sullivan, and Irish weather presenter Caitlín Aoidh.
Well, I do, just for my knowledge of trivia, Roy Sullivan, the bottom left, showing his hat there, he was a man who was struck by lightning, I think, 7 times over the course of many years. And that's him sort of showing the damage on one occasion. Obviously, the Frankenstein monster is brought to life in the films by the lightning striking. So that's a connection. So it's either Martha Stewart or who's the weather woman?
Caitlín Aoidh, Irish weather reporter.
Wasn't really struck by lightning. It was a stunt or something, wasn't it, for Halloween? So that's what Spy She's Hill won out?
That is
All the rest were
absolutely
struck by
correct.
lightning.
They did a jokey
Oh,
weather
very good.
forecast.
You've identified the odd one out.
That's absolutely right. All the others were struck by lightning and she only pretended. Shall we have a look at her prank?
Yes.
Na spé amsir bhré ó cheann na tí ar a drochhuiir tá starmig chartan seo steach a Connemara a molla na hón agus táid an amní go jo mar béis a contarteach is níháil an den nanne chonam.
I found that quite scary if I was watching.
Yeah, it was actually quite scary. If you weren't expecting that, that would be very scary.
Why did they do it?
Bored?
Yeah.
Well, the TG4 channel spokesman said, TG4's mission is to present weather information in a way that is both visually attractive and accessible to all, while demonstrating and celebrating that richness and diversity.
What's diversity doing in that? What's diverse about striking a woman with lightning?
It was a Halloween prank, that's absolutely right.